In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Trello API in n8n. To begin, open your n8n workspace in a browser and sign in. You can do this on a cloud or self-hosted instance, as long as your account has permission to manage credentials. Think of this as preparing a trusted bridge, so n8n can talk to Trello on your behalf without exposing sensitive details in each workflow. Once you're in, head to the Credentials section from the main navigation. Credentials in n8n are reusable, project-level connections you can attach to any node. Centralizing them here keeps your API secrets secure, consistent, and easy to maintain across multiple automations. Next, choose Create Credential. You'll see a catalog of supported services. In the search box, type Trello, then select the Trello option from the results. This loads the correct authentication fields and ensures compatibility with the Trello nodes you'll use later. Click Continue to open the configuration form. At the top, give the credential a clear, memorable name, something like Trello, plus the account or environment so you can instantly recognize it when selecting credentials inside workflows. Now, paste your Trello API key and token into the corresponding fields. If you don't have them handy, generate them from your Trello developer settings tied to your account. Treat these values like passwords. Never share them publicly, avoid storing them in plain text, and don't show them on screen recordings or screenshots. In n8n, credentials are encrypted at rest, and you can control who can view or use them, so double-check access if you collaborate with teammates. If your Trello token has an expiration or limited scope, make a note of that and plan to rotate it before it expires. After you've added the key and token, confirm the form to let n8n validate and store the connection. A successful save means your Trello credential is ready to use. From here, whenever you add a Trello node to a workflow, simply select this credential from the dropdown. This links the node to your Trello account without re-entering secrets and makes your automations easier to audit and maintain. You can always return to the credentials area later to rename, update, or revoke this connection as your needs change. If validation fails, verify that the key and token are current, correctly copied, and match the Trello account you intend to use. Watch for extra spaces, mismatched characters, or expired tokens. Those are the most common culprits. That's it. Your Trello API is now set up in n8n and ready to power your workflows.